Hi, boys and girls. We are still working with subtraction this week. What are we going to be using? Always our mental math skills. We're going to be doing regrouping and borrowing. We're going to decide as we round and estimate numbers if they are reasonable to what our actual answer is. And then we're going to always be using this tool again of rounding when the digit next to the one that you are rounding is between 0 and 4, you'll stay down. When it's between 5 and 9, you will go up. Always. Always write this tool on your paper. Okay, so let's get started here. Today, Monday, you're going to be looking at this lesson. China has more than 3,728 miles of high-speed train tracks. Japan has more than 1,518 miles of high-speed train tracks. About how many more miles of high-speed tracks does China have? So they want us to first round them and estimate the difference. So that's what we're going to do. This one says round to the nearest hundred. So if I'm rounding to the nearest hundred, I'm going to look at this number right here. That's 7, put the number right next to it. Ooh, and I got to write my tool. Always writing that everywhere I am if they're asking me to estimate. Here's my tool, just as a reminder. Okay, so that 2 makes me stay down. So that's going to be a 7. And I'm going to look at the 5 and the one next to it. Well, that 1 also makes me stay down. So now I would do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And 7 minus 5, 2, and 3 minus 1, 2. So there's my first estimate when I round to the nearest hundred. Now it's asking me to do the 10. So now I'm looking at this digit, a 2 with an 8 next to it. That 8 makes me go up. So 3,700 and, 30. And the next one has a 1 with an 8. Oh, 1,520. And now I do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 2, 1, 7 minus 5, 2, and 3 minus 1, 2. So that's nearest tens and nearest hundred. And look at, they're just 10 away. And so we'll put our answers down here also as our estimated answer. That's as simple as this is, more estimation. Let's look at the back side. The museum has 237 works of art on the first floor. The second floor has 349 works of art. About how many more works of art are found on the second floor? So we're going to take that second floor number minusing the first floor. And so greatest value is in the hundreds. So they take, so we want to say that it's in the hundreds place. Okay. And what are we doing there then? We're rounding to the nearest hundred. So 3 in the hundreds with a 4 next to it, it would stay down at 300. Oh, and I got to do my tool as a reminder. Okay, so 200 with a 3 in the tens, that would stay down at 200. Remember, they told us to round to the nearest hundred. Okay, so then just do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, so there's about 100. All right, let's try these. We're going to round them. So I kind of like to write them over here to the side. Now to the nearest 10. Okay, so 5 with a 1, well, that's going to be 350. And 8 with an 8, ooh, to the nearest 10, so it's going to go 490. Now I'm subtracting. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 5, mental math. 4, and 4 minus 3, 1. Great job. Okay, same thing. It asked me to the greatest place value. So I can already see the greatest place value is that 5. So I'm going to round to the nearest hundred. So 5 with a 4, well, that's going to stay at 500. And 2 with a 2, that's going to stay at 200. And then I just do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, very nice. All right, let's do one more. This is what the homework looks like. You're doing the same exact thing. These I think you can handle. Just remember the indicated place value. So you're rounding to the nearest 10, the nearest 100, the nearest 10. Okay? It's down here. It shows you the nearest 10 and the nearest 100. So it wants you to do it both times. So I'm going to do the one right in the middle, and then you'll have a free answer when you're doing your homework. All right. So nearest 10, 7. Oh, and if I have to, I'm going to write my tool one more time. You should always have it somewhere with you when you're working online so you can use it. Okay, so 7, nearest 10, right? 7 with a 7. Okay, 880. Nice. And 7, ooh, that one has a 0, so I'm just staying right there. That was simple, but you got to do the math. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. Now we're going to take these same numbers and round to the nearest 100. So 8 with a 7. Okay, 8 with a 7 would be 8. Ooh, no, I was wrong. I got to go up to 900. And then 7 with a 7. Oh, yep, got that one. Going to go up to 800. Because remember, it asks us nearest 100. So simple math. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And 9 minus 8, 1. All right, so there you got a free answer. All right, and then you will see pages of homework 2 and that one. You can do this. You've got it. And then on Tuesday's assignment, I'm going to go over that right now also. This is just plain simple subtraction, and it's without borrowing. So it's not asking you to go and borrow into the tens. So let's just do a couple to have some random answers here. 3 minus 1, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. Ooh, let's go right there, I guess. 9 minus 0, 9. And 9 minus 5, 4. Okay, a couple free answers for Monday and Tuesday's work. All right, that's all for now.